Hello everyone. I would like to start another exciting and interesting lesson today. Before that, I would like to start by asking some question. Have you ever heard of a disease which produces this type of lesions? The case fatality of that disease may even reach to 100% in untreated cases. More than 1 billion people are at risk of this disease, which is very alarming. Or have you ever heard of a disease in some states of India causes acute encephalitis syndrome, especially children under 15 years of old? The case fatality is as high as 75%. What about this one? Have you seen this type of lesions? The case fatality of this disease ranges from 10 to 90%. So who is the culprit for this transmission of these deadly diseases from human to human or animal to human population? Yes, this lecture is about that culprit. I'm welcoming you all to another interesting video lecture on medical and veterinary entomology. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss on a very important vector of different diseases, that is sandfly or phlebotomine. First, I will introduce the zoological classification and important genera of different sandflies. Then I will highlight the morphological features, life cycle, bionomics, medical and veterinary significance of sandfly. Finally, I will conclude this lecture by highlighting the prevention and control measures of sandfly or phlebotomine. Follow my channel's playlist to get more video lecture on parasitology. Stay connected with the channel to get more video lecture on different subjects of veterinary medicine. So, let's get started.